There, there, there. What now? Did I just repeat one word 3 times? Well, no. Those are actually 3 different words. Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will talk about another confusing words in English. There, T-H-E-R-E, there, T-H-E-I-R, and there, T-H-E-Y''R-E. And they're called homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings, well, which can be tricky sometimes. But don't worry, in this lesson, I will teach you some tips on how to use each one of them in a given sentence. Well, again, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and ring that bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload videos in the future. So let's go. Let's get into it. Let's start our lesson by answering these 2 items. All we need to do is to choose the letter of the correct answer. Let's have number 1. A. There is a mouse in my closet. B. There is a mouse in my closet. C. There is a mouse in my closet. Which sentence is correct? And the correct answer is letter C. That's right, it's letter C. Now what about number 2? A. I wonder if they're planning to go shopping with us. B. I wonder if they're planning to go shopping with us. C. I wonder if they're planning to go shopping with us. Which sentence is correct? And it is letter A. Alright, so we're able to answer all these 2 items already. Now, were you able to get them right? That's great then. As you can see in each item, it has relatively the same sentences, except for the words there, and there. The same is true with number 2. So again, relatively the same sentences except for these words there, and there. Now let's take a closer look at these homophones. Let's have number 1, there, T-H-E-R-E. There is used broadly in English language. It can actually work as a noun, an adverb, pronoun, or even interjection. Let's take a look at this. There as a noun. It means that place. You are referring to that place or that point. Not here, but there. For example, the restaurant is 2 miles away from there. So there. Or get away from there. So referring to a place. Okay? There could also function as a pronoun. When we use there as a pronoun, that means that we use there to introduce the subject. For example, there is a spider in the bath. Where is our subject? The word spider. So there introduces our subject, which is the spider. Another function as a pronoun is it can actually replace a noun. Take this example. Hello there. Instead of saying, hello Cindy, hello David, you replace the word Cindy and David to the word there. Hello there. Now another function is, it can function as an adverb. What is an adverb? It modifies a verb. What do you mean by modifies? It means it describes a verb. For example, wait there until I get back. So there, it describes a verb. So where is our verb? It's the word wait. Wait where? There. We went to London and stayed there for 2 weeks. So we have the word there, and where is our verb? Stayed. Okay, it describes the word stayed. Stayed where? There. Okay? Another thing is it can function as an interjection. Example, there. That didn't hurt so much, did it? Or there, it's finished. Here is my tip for you to remember this form of there, the THERE in a sentence. Just remember that there is the opposite of here. Okay? And when we say there, it talks about location, that place and not here. But again, remember there are many functions of there. It can function as a noun, as an adverb, as a pronoun, or an interjection. So remember that. The next one is this there. THEIR. So there is a possessive adjective. And it's something a person has or owns. It's possessive. What do I mean by possessive? Something that somebody owns and not yours. Something that does not belong to you. Alright? For example, we have it's their house. Not my house, but their house. Their brother. Not my brother, but their brother. I fixed their car. So their car, not my car, not your car, but their car. Always remember that when you use their in a sentence, usually it is followed by a noun. Their house, their brother, their car. Alright? That's your clue. And other examples like they have forgotten to brush their teeth. So their teeth and not my teeth. If anyone calls, ask for their number. So their number, not my number, but their number. Another one is Teddy was their only friend. So their, and the noun here is friend. Alright, so this is our tip to remember the use of their, THEIR. Just replace it to my. Okay, just replace it to my, and if it sounds right, then that's the correct answer. Number 3. There, THEY apostrophe RE is simply the contraction of the R. When we say contraction, it means shortening or reduction. You try to shorten a word. By what? By omitting some letters or some sound. For example, we have they're funny people. You could also say they are funny people. It's also correct. Another one is I don't know where they're going. So the I don't know where they are going is also correct. They are both really good books is also correct. Where are the letters? They're in the box. So they are in the box is also correct. Tip to remember, just expand their, THEY apostrophe RE, to they are. And if it sounds right, then that is the correct answer. Alright, so there, THERE, we tried to replace it to here. For THEIR, there, try to replace it to my, and there, THEY apostrophe RE, we try to expand it to they are. But again, remember, let me just emphasize this again, that this form of there, THERE, does not only talk about location. Okay? It's not only about the opposite of here. Let's try number 1. The soldiers are not sure where blank going. Is it correct to say the soldiers are not sure where my going? Or the soldiers are not sure where they are going? Which do you think is the correct answer? So here our answer is there. The THEY apostrophe R E. The soldiers are not sure where they are going. What about this one? I found the money over blank in the park. Alright. Can you say I found the money over my in the park? It sounds not right. What about I found the money over they are in the park? Not correct also. So our answer is this there. I found the money over there in the park. You are referring to a what? A place in the park. So this is a location. Number 3, blank books were left in the classroom. Blank books were left in the classroom. Can you say my books were left in the classroom? Yes. What about, let's try first, they are books were left in the classroom? Hmm, not so. What about their or here books were left in the classroom? Our answer is this there. T-H-E-I-R. So it is the possessive adjective. Okay, it refers to books. Whose books? It's their books. Not your books, but their books. Number 4, she asked that I sit blank until I felt better. So can we say she asked that I sit my until I felt better? What about she asked that I sit they are until I felt better? Or we could say she asked that I sit here until I felt better. Okay, so our answer here is this form of there. T-H-E-R-E. Let's have first a review. T-H-E-R-E talks about location, or it introduces the subject. Okay, it could even replace a noun, or it could even be an interjection. And what is our tip to remember this? There, T-H-E-R-E is the opposite of here. It's there, not here. For there, T-H-E-I-R, it's the possession. It means ownership, something that does not belong to you, but belongs to them. And what's our tip? You just have to replace their, T-H-E-I-R, to my. And if it sounds right, then that's the correct answer. For their, T-H-E-Y'-R-E, it's just simply the contraction of they are. So what's our tip? Is you just have to expand it to they are. Alright? Directions. Choose their, T-H-E-R-E, their, T-H-E-I-R, or their, T-H-E-Y'-R-E to complete the sentence. And I'll give you time to answer this activity, and your timer starts now. Alright, so let's now check your answers. Number 1. The children are crying because they miss blank mother. What's the correct answer? The answer is their. Their. Whose mother? It's their mother. Not my mother, not your mother, but their mother. Number 2. Blank are only 2 weeks left before our final exam. What is your answer? The answer is there. There. Number 3. I'm sorry, but blank aren't any rooms available. What's your answer? I'm sorry, but there aren't any rooms available. There. Number 4. I like my new classmates, but I can't remember blank names. What is your answer? The correct answer is there. Their. I like my new classmates, but I can't remember their names. So possessive, their names, not my names, not your names. Okay? Number 5. Blank going to be so proud when they see your grades. What is your answer? The correct answer is there. They''re. They're going to be so proud when they see your grades. You could say they are going to be so proud when they see your grades. Alright, so we are done answering this activity. I hope you got a perfect score. And if not, well, just keep on practicing, okay? And that ends our lesson for today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you'll get updated with my next video. Alright? Then see you again next time. Goodbye!